this motorhome? Subscribe to Apex Motorhome, hit like, and stay with us.
Comment below, tap the bell, and join us for more luxury RV adventures.
America's $48 million Volvo RV 2027. Imagine a $48 million Volvo RV rolling onto an American highway, not as a normal motorhome, but as a luxury concept built around one question: how far can a road-going home actually go? The Volvo RV name and $48 million figure in this video are part of the presented concept, not a verified Volvo production model. So let's separate the visual fantasy from confirmed reality, starting exactly where every journey begins: the driver cabin. If you love extraordinary RVs, like this video, subscribe, and comment with the feature you would want inside. Inside the driver cabin, the experience begins with the place responsible for controlling the entire journey. The focus is on the driving environment, where the road ahead becomes the first part of the luxury experience. Instead of jumping straight into the living spaces, notice how this opening point establishes the scale of the vehicle before the tour moves deeper inside. But the real transformation begins when we leave the controls behind. That alone makes the transition feel surprisingly important. Floor 1 opens into the lounge area, shifting the atmosphere from driving to living. This is the first major transition, where the RV feels less like transportation and more like a private interior space designed for extended time on the road. The lounge sets the tone for everything that follows, but there is a much more personal space waiting next. Next comes the bedroom, bringing the tour into the most private part of the first floor. Here, the emphasis is simply on having a dedicated place to rest while traveling. That separation matters because a luxury RV combines movement with everyday living. Yet the next room changes the function of the space completely. The bathroom follows, providing the essential private facility expected inside a serious motorhome. Its position keeps the first floor moving from relaxation to personal use. And just when the tour seems complete, another practical space takes over. The kitchen comes next, bringing food preparation into the living environment. A dedicated kitchen shows the RV is designed for more than short trips. It supports life on the road. But the first floor still has work to do. The office area follows, creating a defined place for work without leaving the RV. That matters for travelers who need to stay productive between destinations. And after work comes one of the least glamorous but most necessary parts of any home. The laundry area completes the first floor sequence, giving the RV a dedicated space for handling clothing and everyday upkeep. It reminds us that luxury is not only dramatic, convenience matters too. Now, the tour moves upstairs, where the functions become even more unexpected. Floor 2 begins with the office area, continuing the dedicated workspace concept on another level. The second floor office continues that purpose-driven sequence. But the next space shifts the mood immediately. The kids' playing area introduces a family-focused environment, giving children a dedicated place to spend time while the vehicle is being used as a home. It changes the atmosphere from productivity to play before the next room shifts the tone. The medication room provides a dedicated area for medications, keeping this essential function separate from the other spaces. It represents practicality within an otherwise highly luxurious concept. But the next destination is easily one of the most intriguing names in the entire tour. The Love Twins secret room follows, and even the name creates an obvious question: what is this space intended for? Since no verified specification establishes its exact purpose, the safest approach is to treat it as a named concept area rather than inventing details. That mystery, however, makes the next stop even more interesting. The minibar area comes next, introducing a dedicated place associated with drinks and socializing. Its role is straightforward within the tour, but it prepares the atmosphere for the most energetic area on this floor. Then comes the dance party club area, transforming the second floor from quiet private spaces into a dedicated entertainment environment. Rather than adding unverified features, the key point is simply its intended role as the party-focused area of the sequence. And there is still one final destination. The men's kits area closes the tour, completing the exact sequence of spaces requested for this concept. From the driver cabin through 2 levels of specialized areas, The Volvo RV concept is presented as an attempt to blend transportation with an unusually extensive collection of living functions. Remember, the $48 million price and Volvo RV identity should be understood as part of the presented concept, not evidence of a confirmed production vehicle. That distinction matters when extraordinary automotive ideas meet viral storytelling. If you want more luxury RV tours, ambitious motorhome concepts, and future-focused American road machines, subscribe now, because the next reveal could be even more unbelievable.